Hi guys, best team. I'm standing for you for announcing a great person name who is in front of us, who is going to introduce themselves and talk with us about their journey, how they became the perfect English speaking, and how they reduce the fear of speaking English. And now I'm going to announce the name of that person is Arman Ansari. Please put your hands together and welcome him.
Best evening, guys.
Best evening.
Once again, we are here to talk about our good thoughts and idioms. So, did you bring your good thoughts and idioms?
Yes.
Now, Priyanshu, tell your good thoughts and idioms.
My good thought says, your smile is the best weapon to kill your haters. And my idiom says, don't beat a dead horse.
Now, I am telling about my journey in this coaching. Before coming in this coaching, I could not speak English. But when I joined this coaching, I can speak very well English. That you can see, I am hosting you and I am asking you questions. Thank you very much.
Good presentation. It's a great presentation. Now I'm going to announce another person name who is also great like Arman. Now I'm going to announce Deepak Bhaiya's name who is also speak fluent English like Arman. Now please hands together for Deepak Bhaiya. Welcome Deepak Bhaiya.
Okay, I am going to ask some idioms and thoughts from Kamesh. Please, please say your thoughts and idioms.
My idioms is an apple a day is the doctor away, and my good thought is time is money. Do not waste it.
Okay. Clap for him and put your hands. I am Priyanshu Kumar. When I not came here, I thought that it was very difficult to learn English, and it will take 2 to 3 years. And when I came here, 4 to 5 months, I am very fluently and I am very lucky to join this class. Thank you very much.
How was the presentation? Can you tell me? I want to know your opinion about that. Is this presentation is good or is this presentation is bad? It's obviously good for these people who have just speak in front of you. They are new batchers. They are new students who have joined this tuition recently, and they will perfect in 4 to 5 months. Then how can't you speak English without? How cannot you speak English without fearlessly? It's a speaking of institute. It's a speaking English institute. You can speak English like Arman, like a Deepak Bhaiya, and you can also presentate yourself like this. You have to focus on this tutorial, tuition classes, or what have sir teach you in this classes. Thank you very much. Okay, I want to announce the name of that person who has recently joined this class, who is Charvi, who has recently joined this class or who get perfect in speaking basic English. I want to announce the name of Charvi. Charvi, please come here. Clap for Charvi.
Okay, concentrate.
Hello guys, my name is Charvi and I am going to host this class in the place of Payaldi. Payaldi, thank you for this giving me an opportunity to speak here. And I am going to say about one person who is great in English, that person is Mr. Karthik. Karthik, please come here and speak. Speak. Put your hands together and welcome his. Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Karthik and I am 12 years old. Okay, today I asked to everyone to present him his thought. So, sir, now
Ask him what's your name.
what's your name?
My name is Rupesh.
Bhupesh. Okay, now Bhupesh is telling his thought and items. So clap for him.
The good thought is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Or idioms, big wins, big flow.
So clap for him. He is going on an idiom, and I am telling about my journey. When I come this class, before I am coming this class, I am feel very nervous because my uncle said me you are going to coaching to learn English. Then I feel very nervous because I am not good and I think that sir is not good. But when I come here, then I see the sir is best and he tell about his story when he come here and teach the children and tell me about my structures. Like I am a small baby and he tell me about all things. So thank you, sir. And I call Charvi because she called me and she called another person to speak. So thank you, Charvi, and come on the stage, please. Okay, I announce another person who is great in English.
Charvi, please come here. I would like to thank Charvi because he holds the program in place of me. Okay, this program is very nice and every person have speak about their idioms and good thoughts, and every person who want to speak about their journey, who want to speak their journey, how they become fluent in English, how they join this class, then they can speak in front of us. Now I am welcoming that person who want to join, who want to speak in front of here. Okay, now who wants to speak in place of me? Bhupesh. Please hands together for Bhupesh. Unfortunately, Bhupesh is absent in this class. Actually, he was busy in some other works. That's why I'm calling another person in place of Bhupesh. Now I'm calling the person of the name is Kamesh. Kamesh, can you come here for hosting this class? Sorry guys, unfortunately I can't continue my hosting position. That's why I'm putting the Karthik in place of me in my hosting position. Please Karthik, can you continue the hosting position in place of me?
Yeah, of course.
Because I have a new work. That's why I want to join this work and I have to leave this place. Can you come here and speak from people's?
Yeah, I want to speak. So
Okay,
I
come here. Thank you, Karthik. Thanks a lot.
You are welcome. Thanks, Payaldi, to call me here. I want to ask some questions to all and thoughts. So I come back. Okay, now Kamesh is saying his thoughts and idioms. Welcome, Kamesh. Tell your thoughts and idioms, please.
My item is an
Speak loudly. We are not hearing properly.
Yes. My good thought is my time is money, do not waste it. And my item is an apple a day, keep the doctor away.
Okay, clap for him. He is speaking very good. Next, I call. Next, I ask Deepak Bhaiya idioms and thoughts. Please.
Do not follow the majority. follow the right way. My idioms, take it easy, rest. Please.
Thank you for telling your idioms and thoughts. Okay, next I call Arman. Do you want to speak some idioms and thoughts?
My thought is, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very difficult to win someone. And my idiom is, kill two birds with one stone.
It is very good and thanks for him. And thank you all. And I come back. I don't know when I come back, but I come back to speak with all that members who study here. So thank you.